Hey friends, if you encounter Explorer.exe high memory and CPU usage on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the File Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager window. You will find the File Explorer process here. Right click on it and then select Restart. The next solution is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or restart and then select restart. Now these two solutions should fix the problem in 99% cases. Why? Because see, if the File Explorer is causing high CPU usage, then what can be the root cause behind it? That's what I always focus on. What is the root cause, right? And that is because some process in the File Explorer is stuck. Now the next one is that if it doesn't work, then you can try an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And the last one is a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and then click on delete files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.